What you see here is my new tent. It's really overkill, but I wanted someplace I could, if you're gonna spend 5 days, I wanted to be in luxury as I could, as far as camping goes. It did fit the space perfectly, actually. I just wonder if it's a little close to the fire over here. I might have to rethink that. Uh-oh, got a little droopy spot there. Got to fix that. But if you go inside, you've got a table, lots of room. I'll put a chair, and I can get dressed without having to get dressed laying down. Nice little table there, so you can put your feet up on it, or I mean it's canvas, so it'll collapse. You can't set a glass on it, that's for sure. But I'm looking forward to sleeping in it.